Hello, today we're making a creamy and delicious homemade ice cream without eggs, condensed milk, or an ice cream machine. This is a strawberry version, so I'm using about 8 to 10 strawberries that I'm going to puree to get about a cup's worth of puree. You can use any fruit you want. In a small saucepan, we'll add milk, heavy whipping cream, sugar, a pinch of salt, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. Cook over medium heat until the sugar has dissolved and the mixture is steamy but not boiling. Let the mixture cool for a few minutes before adding the puree. Pour into ice cube trays and freeze for a couple hours. It doesn't have to be frozen solid. Then we'll take the cubes out, place them into a food processor, and process for 2 minutes or so. We'll let this freeze for another hour or two and then enjoy. That's it, easy peasy. For this recipe and more, visit craftstocrumbs.com.